Hi, I'm Audra and welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. It is day 22 in the 2024 Holiday Royale Advent Box. Today we have something really helpful in your sewing space for you to use. Day 22, the perfect little notion to hold your fabrics when you can't use pins. I wonder what it could be. Today's item has 4 rolls of washi tape with the Sallie Tomato logo. Washi tape has so many uses. If you haven't started using it in your sewing, now is the time. Washi tape can be used in a variety of ways in your sewing room. It can be used as an alternative to pins for holding pieces in place. It can be used to mark fabrics. You can also use it to assemble paper patterns or templates, as well as labeling pattern pieces. Washi tape leaves no residue. You can easily sew through it and remove it without any damage to your fabrics. Washi tape is truly a great addition to your sewing room notions. Please share and show off how you're using washi tape in your sewing. We'd love to see how you apply it and if it's helpful. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss out on any of our videos when they're released. We hope that this item is really helpful for you, and only 3 more days left.